Rafael L. Bras. Rafael Luis Bras, born 1950, is a Puerto Rican civil engineer best known for his contributions in surface hydrology and hydrometeorology, including his work in soil-vegetation-atmosphere system modeling. Bras served as the provost and executive vice president of academic affairs at the Georgia Institute of Technology from 2010 to 2020, with faculty appointments in the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering and the School of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences, and continues to be a professor at Georgia Tech. Education. A native of Puerto Rico, Bras studied at MIT, where he received a bachelor's 1972, a master's in civil engineering 1974, and a science doctorate in water resources and hydrology 1975. Career. On completion of his doctorate, Bras worked for a time as an assistant professor at the University of Puerto Rico School of Engineering. Bras returned to MIT in July 1976, where he served for more than 32 years as a professor of civil and environmental engineering and held an appointment in the departments of Earth, Atmospheric and Planetary Sciences. He is a past chair of the MIT faculty, former head of the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department, and director of the Ralph M. Parsons Laboratory at MIT. On April 24, 2008, Bras was appointed as Dean of the Henry Samueli School of Engineering at the University of California, Irvine, effective September 1, 2008. On July 15, 2010, Bras was named provost of the Georgia Institute of Technology. From 2010 to 2020, Bras was a professor at the Georgia Institute of Technology in the Schools of Civil and Environmental Engineering and of Earth and Atmospheric Sciences. On January 22, 2020, Bras announced plans to step down as provost and remain a professor at the Georgia Institute of Technology. He officially stepped down on October 1, 2020, and continues to be a professor in the School of Civil and Environmental Engineering. Research. As an engineering hydrologist, Bras' major areas of interest include land-atmosphere interactions and geomorphology. With the goal of coherent understanding of the global water cycle, Bras and Peter South Eagleson at MIT led scientists to rethink the role of water as an essential component of Earth's systems. Bras' books Random Functions and Hydrology 1985 and Hydrology, An Introduction to Hydrologic Science 1990 are considered foundational publications in hydrologic sciences, combining traditional land hydrology with atmospheric science, ecology, geology, and geomorphology. Bras has integrated probability and statistics into hydrology to improve forecasting and risk estimation. By examining the interactions of precipitation, runoff, and soil moisture, he has improved river flow forecasting and flood estimation. Remote sensing, satellite data, and information technology can now be used to support distributed hydrologic modeling and the global mapping of water in near to real time. Bras has developed models of the structure and evolution of river basins in terms of their fractal organization and geometry. His work enables researchers to better understand erosional development on hill slopes and channels within catchments. Mass transport processes modeled include fluvial sedimentation, creep, rain splash, and landslides. In his work in ecohydrology, Bras tries to integrate information about the hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. He seeks to quantify the ways in which plants affect and are affected by hydrologic and energy cycles in the environment. With Alfred L. he examined the role of precipitation recycling on the atmospheric branch of the water cycle of the Amazon River basin and showed that deforestation can have serious impacts on climate. Bras is considered a leading authority on soil-vegetation-atmosphere system modeling and the evolution of landscapes due to climatic disturbances, including global warming. Bras is listed as an ISI highly cited researcher by the Institute for Scientific Information in Ecology/Environment Engineering. He is a registered professional engineer in several states. He has served as a professional consultant in multiple projects around the world. Beginning in 1995, Bras chaired an international panel for oversight of a system of barriers for the flood protection of Venice, Italy. Honors and awards. 2017 Lifetime Achievement Award, Environmental and Water Resources Institute UE of the American Society of Civil Engineers as a 2015 Distinguished Member, American Society of Civil Engineers 2011. Corresponding Member, National Academy of Sciences of Mexico, Academia Nacional de Ciencias de Mexico 2010, Anthony J. Drexel Exceptional Achievement Award, Drexel University 2009, National Academy of Arts and Sciences of Puerto Rico, Academia de Artes y Ciencias de Puerto Rico 2008, James R. Killian Jr. Faculty Achievement Award, MIT 2008, Simon W. Fries Environmental Engineering Award and Lecture set for advancing the theory and practice of hydrologic sciences, including hydrometeorology and hydroclimatology, 2007. Honorary Diplomate of Water Resources Engineering, American Academy of Water Resources Engineers 2007, Robert East. Parton Medal, AGU 2006, Fellow, American Association for the Advancement of Science 2004, Corresponding Member, National Academy of Engineering, Mexico 2003, Hall of Fame HHF, Hispanic Engineer National Achievement Awards Conference HENOC 2002, NASA Public Service Medal 2001, National Academy of Engineering for Innovation in Hydrological Forecasting and Hydrometeorology through application of new technology, probability, and statistics, and for the advancement of civil engineering education, 2001 Science in Science Award of the Quality Education for Minorities QM Mathematics, Science, and Engineering Network 2000, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Leadership Award, MIT 1998, Clark Prize Laureate for Outstanding Achievement in Water Science and Technology, National Water Research Institute, Denry 1994, Member, American Society of Civil Engineers, SN 1993, Walter Huber Civil Engineering Research Prize, SN 1992, Fellow, American Meteorological Society 1992, Honoris Causa Laureate, Instituto di Idraulica Agraria, Università degli Studi di Perugia, Italy 1982, James B. Mazewin Medal, American Geophysical Union 1982, Fellow, American Geophysical Union 1982, John Simon Guggenheim Fellowship 1981, Hydrologic Sciences Award, American Geophysical Union. Selected works. Reprinted Dover, 1993.